Let's make a Greta Garbo. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make a Greta Garbo. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. Greta Garbo was a Swedish actress who was born in 1905 and died in 1990. She started acting at the age of 19 and retired at the age of 36, and during that time she was considered a moneymaker for the film industry. Needless to say, she was wildly popular. Popular enough to have a drink named after her. The Greta Garbo cocktail did not appear in print until 1948 in David Embury's The Fine Art of Mixing Drinks. Before that, it was considered a variant of the Dr. cocktail, Dr. No. 2. Back then, the drink was made with Swedish punch, which is a Swedish liqueur. However, that's not a common ingredient nowadays, so somebody at some time switched it out for Luxardo. And that's the version we're going to make tonight. A note on the rum. This drink does call for a white rum. This is the kind of drink that I like to use a nice white rum in. I'm using Kill-Divill, which I'm not convinced is the best, but it's pretty good. If you find another white rum that works great in this cocktail, let me know what it is. To make this drink, we're going to start by washing the glass with absinthe. And the official glass is a coupe. I'm using an Anderson Ancestral coupe. You don't have to use an Anderson Ancestral coupe, even though they're Swedish. You can use any kind of coupe that you want. But to wash the glass, we're going to put about 1/4 ounce of our absinthe into the bottom of the glass. And I'm going to set that aside because it's got a strong. And we're going to slowly rotate it around, getting it closer and closer to the edge. Whoa. And then when we're done with that, we're supposed to flick it. I'm not going to flick this at you or at the wall. I'm going to flick it into the sink. I'll be right back. Glass flicked. I'm going to set it aside for a moment. And we're going to shake this cocktail. First thing I'm going to do, though, is get some ice. Now I'm going to take 1.5 ounces of my rum and put that into the shaker. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. Three-quarters of an ounce of your Luxardo. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. And yes, I know I'm doing this out of order. I should be doing the other ingredients first, but whatever. 1 ounce of lime juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And my simple syrup. 1-to-1 simple syrup. We're going to put in 1/2 ounce, which is 15 milliliters. I will set my shaker aside. Set my jigger aside. I'll add my ice. And I'll give this a shake. Bring back my glass, and I'm going to double strain this into my coupe. I'm supposed to do some sort of tapping thing, aren't I? Tap, 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 tap. Set those aside. And a garnish. Garnish is going to be star anise. I'm going to float that right on the top. And there you have it, a Greta Garbo. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. Do you know more about the history of the Greta Garbo cocktail? Let me know in the comments down below. Note that they always support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, all you have to do is contact me through the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.